going to do in the right hand? Well, we are, as always, going to focus on rock solid voice leading. 2 rules of voice leading are: 1, move as little as possible. 2, keep common tones. That means if I'm moving from an A chord to an E chord, the note E is found in both the A major triad, and the note E is found in the E major triad. So all I have to do is take these bottom 2 voices and move them down. Dig it. That's good voice leading. So how am I going to move from the A chord to the E chord? Like this. How am I going to move to the F sharp? There are no common tones, so that F sharp minor is going to look like that. Now, what are the 2 common tones between an F sharp minor triad and a D major triad? Check it out. All you got to do is move that inner voicing up. Let's get that band and try this together. Right hand alone. Right hand alone. Left hand, whoosh, you're on vacation. Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right hand alone. A, 2, 3, 4. F sharp to the dirty D. Look how little you're moving. Great pianists do not have to move a lot to sound amazing. Now I'm going to add that left hand.